This is the blue list. Number 1, stock. I need to stock my refrigerator with bottles of cold water when it gets warm outside. Number 2 is sink. Fill the sink with water so I can wash the dishes.
Okay, staff, here we go for a...
Number 3 is tire. I got a nail in my tire, and so I had to stop to get it fixed so that I could get home. Number 4 is stir. Please stir the soup so that the carrots don't sink to the bottom. Number 5 is stiff. My neck felt stiff after watching a movie sitting in the front row. Number 6 is stack. Stack the blocks as tall as you can to make a tower. Number 7 is stump. The squirrels made a nest in the stump of the tree. Number 8 is stamp. Put a stamp on the letter before you mail it. Number 9 is stool. Miss Jones sits on a stool when she teaches art class. Number 10 is soon. They say that it will start to feel like spring very soon. Number 11 is stem. The stem of the flower got bent. Number 12 is top. Put the top on the toothpaste tube when you're finished brushing your teeth. Number 13 is stick. I used a stick to be the arm of the snowman. Number 14 is tops. All of my summery tops are too cold to be worn in the winter. Number 15 is tips. I can give you 3 tips for how to study for that math test. Number 16 is stop. The red sign that is shaped like an octagon says stop. Number 17 is star. I put a star on the test with all the answers that were correct. Number 18 is sting. If you get a sting from a bee, you will want to put ice on it. Number 19 is tie. I know how to tie my shoes. Number 20 is 6. Mr. McDonald said he needs 6 volunteers to come to Young Athletes.